Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Shimpo Masagada Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin anong gusto sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is weekly gabay for the month of September 9 hanggang September 15 for the sign of Aries. So, Aries, welcome to my channel. Ano kaya ang messages, advices ng spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanino naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay mo ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a journey din lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. Sa, sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo na po ang subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time in every moment. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dahil nandito na ang mensahe sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit Messages. Bigyan mo ako ng isang pasabog-bulabog na mensahe at anong gusto sabihin sa atin ng pitong arkanghel at ating mga gabay at ng ating baraha. Ilahad ang dapat. Ipakita ang karapat-dapat. Ganon. Charis. Let's see. And there, tignan mo na. There's a devil. There's an, ang taray ha. Meron ditong devil and of course faith. Ibig sabihin dito, bukas sinusubukan ng pananampalataya mo, no? Sinusubukan ng paniniwala mo dito. Ang lakas ng energy dito na, kumbaga, nagkakaroon ka ng struggles about sa faith, no? Okay. Or maaaring okay, thank you. May black magic daw involved dito, ha? And there's a Six of Wands. There's a victory and success. And there's a Ten of Cups. There's an happiness. Taray. Maligalig, masaya. And there's a judgment. No? There's a wake-up call. Meron ditong, para magigising ka sa katotohanan, gano'n. At the same time, parang, red flag. Okay, the full card. Sabi na it's a red flag for the full card. Parang may paalala sa'yo, no? Huwag ka basta-basta nagtitiwala, no? Parang ito na yung, kumbaga, wake up call sa'yo, no? Na kailangan maging aware ka. What is the devil and the faith? There's some, revelation. Meron talaga dito something negativity. Kumbaga dito, nananaginip ka. Some of you, kumbaga something illusion, something na there's some negativity dito talagang lakas ng negative. Kumbaga may gawa ka ng tao, ha? Kumbaga may mga nararamdaman ka dito. What is the faith? There is a Two of Cups. There's a partnership, no? Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na there's a partner na kumbaga, there's an involvement about sa partner. O kaya meron ditong, kumbaga, sa sobrang inggit, no? Kumbaga, gumagawa na ng hindi maganda sa'yo. Or mag-ingat ka sa mga pinagkakatiwalaan mo. And there's a Knight of Swords. Magiging mabilis tong eksena na to. Ang lakas ng energy talaga dito, Tio. May ano dito, mayroon talagang kini-clear out ko. There's a black magic talaga. There's a negative energy. What is the Ten of Cups? There's a justice. May hustisya. Plakado. And of course, there's a Two of Swords. Nagdesisyon ka na. No, parang nagising ka na sa katotohanan. And there's a High Priestess. Ito sinasabi, diba? Kumbaga, wag ka magtitiwala basta-basta. There's a hidden agenda or hidden enemies. See? Protect your power, protect your energy. Ang lakas ng dito talaga, na kailangan mong protectionan yung sarili mo dito. No? Meron talagang gumagawa sa'yo dito ng hindi maganda. Or some of you nagpagamot na at may protection na, it's a good part. At don't you worry kasi there's a bounce back. babalik sa kanya kung ano man ang ginawa niya. Inggit to sa family. Inggit to sa pamilya. What is the devil and the moon card? There's a palace of coin. Okay. Inggit to sa pamilya, marangya ang pamilya nito. Kumbaga siguro masagana dati, no? Kumbaga ginawa ng hindi maganda. And sinasabi sa dito, there's a two of coin. Keep your finances balanced. What is the six of wands and the nine of swords? Okay, get my information. There's a two of wands. There's a 222. Angels, 2222. Apat na 2. At sinasabi sa dito, tip, na there is victory and success. Kumbaga mapagtatagumpayan mo to. Nakapag-decision ka na at you're on the right path. No? Nasa tamang direction ka. Alam mo kung ano pipiliin mong landas. What is the Ten of Cups and the Justice card? And there's a Six of coin or Six of Pentacles. About sa finances, magtutuloy-tuloy na raw to. So, ginawan to ng nagkaroon ng bankruptcy dito. Ginawa ng eksena dito about sa finances. Nakuha mo yung hostisya, ngayon magtutuloy-tuloy na raw. So, sinasabi sa dito, kailangan mo ma-break ang spell, ma-break tong kulam na to. At the same time, kailangan mo proteksyonin yung sarili mo. What is judgment and of course the Two of Swords? There's an Ace of Swords. There's a breakthrough. No? Kumbaga, you're on the spotlight. Kumbaga, magtatagumpay ka dito. What is the Full card? The High Priestess and the Seven of Wands. There is a Six of Swords. Transition. Ngayon, kumbaga, unti-unti na nagbabago, unti-unti na kumbaga, bumabalik na sa normal. Gano'n. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa dito na, take action. Kapag alam mo na gano'n na nangyayari, basagin mo na ang blockages. Basagin mo na ang negativity. Basagin mo na ang curse or ang kulam o sumpa. So, what is the devil? The moon card or the palace of coin? There's the hangman. See? There's a pause. Talagang hinintuan niya. Ginawa niya ng cancellation. Ginawa niya ng pampatumal, pampabagal, ganun. Kumbaga, nagkaroon ng bankruptcy tendency, nag-collapse. So, what is the fate? The Two of Cups and the Two of Coin. There's a Three of Wands, waiting for a result, no? Mahaba patient, magantay-antay lang. What is the Six of Wands, the Knight of Swords, the Two of Wands? Okay, there's a Eight of Swords. Kailangan mong kumawala, no? Sa negativity. Kailangan mo mag-decision. It's either kamag-anak mo, kaibigan, kapitbahay. Ito yung gumagawa dito. What is the Ten of Cups? Ten of Cups, the Justice and the Six of Coin. There's the Wheel of Fortune. See? Kumbaga turning into your favor o turning events, no? Umikot na yung kapalaran, no? The cycle shift out. Nagbago na yung eksena. Kumbaga, karma will serve. What is the Judgment, the Two of Swords in reverse, and the Ace of Swords? There's a Sun card. Magkakaroon ka ng positivity and of course, a good outcome. At the same time, there's a temperance, a perfect timing, no? And of course, divine intervention, paalala ng divine. Kung hindi ka pa nagpagamot, nangyayari sa'yo lahat ng to, you need to take an action. Kung hindi, tigagapang to. Kapag gumapang to, mahihirapan ka. So, you need to take an action for this. So, what is the total outcome? So, outcome is the Hermit card, soul searching, soul enlightenment, no? Binibigyan ka ng kaliwanagan, and Palace of Cups, no? Magkakaroon ka ng masayang pamilya. Eight of Wands, movement, no? There is a movement and fast communication. Additional outcome. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a tower moment. There's a sudden changes, no? Revealed or destroy, no? So, what is the Love Oracle card? Meron tayong bagong cards na gagamitin, ha? And of course, sinasabi sa'yo dito, there's a sunglasses, stalking, watching. See, may mga taong sumusubaybay sa'yo. It's either kamag-anak mo to or kapitbahay, kaibigan, ha? And of course, sinasabi ng lightning, there's a sudden changes. And of course, there's a love, no? Kumbaga, meron talaga ditong inggit, no? And of course, there's a boat for closer issue. Kailangan mo na i-close yung chapter na to. No? What is the Monthology? What is the Monthology? Monsology, work through your fears. Alisin mo daw yung takot at pangamba mo, ha? And request of a new romantic cycle begin. Magsisimula na yung panibagong chapter ng buhay mo. No? So, let's see. Kung magkakaroon ng panibagong chapter, ito ay bagong cards natin for the Romance Angels Oracle cards. Doran Bear to you. So, tingnan natin, ha? Get more information. Retreat. It's time to disconnect from the world, no? Kailangan mo daw kumawala. Kailangan mong maayos yung mga bagay-bagay. And of course, religious factors. Oh, some of you meron talaga about sa religious or spirituality, no? Your love is life influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. So, ibig sabihin dito, nilalagay ka sa, kumbaga yung sinusubukan, di ba? Sinusubukan yung pananampalataya mo. Sinusubukan ng tiwala mo dito, no? Kumbaga doon matetesting kung talagang, kung talagang yung tiwala mo ba ay buo, no? Ang pananampalataya mo ba ang buo, no? Doon sila susubukin. So, what is additional messages? There's a kitchen, creations, and angels, support and guidance. No, sinusuportahan ka raw ng ating mga angel spirits. At the same time, sinasabi rin sa'yo dito, fairies, playtime, no? And sinasabi dito, enjoy your life from the fullest. Mag-enjoy ka lang. Kung ano man yung nararanasan mo, i-enjoy mo lang yan. At the same time, what is the chakra? There's a perception, no? Ayun yung kailangan mo rin baguhin. And there's a gossip. I told you, pinag-uusapan ka. Diba? May mga nismosa, matey. Mga marites. And of course, i-release. O, see? Kailangan mong i-release yung negativity, yung mga gawa sa'yo ng black magic. At the same time, there's a service, no? Kailangan mo magpagamot. So, what is additional messages? And there's a humor. I choose to focus on the lighter side of life. So, tignan mo rin yung mga magagandang kahihinatnan, ha? Yung mga, kung may options pa, kung may mga ways pa or directions, subukan mo muna, huwag ka mawala ng pag-asa, ha? At of course, huwag ka mag-attack ng nega. Kung alam mong may ways pa or may paraan pa or may dahilan pa kung paan or kung saan ka pa makakakuha ng options, do it, no? So, additional, there's a career change. No, kailangan mo daw baguhin yung trabaho o negosyo mo, no? Kasi napaka-toxic din daw dyan at the same time. There's a heart desire. Kung ano daw yung, sundin mo rin ka na yung sinasabi ng puso mo. Kung ano ba talaga gusto mo, no? What is the energy? And of course, there is a rest and rejuvenate. So, kailangan mo ipahinga at kailangan mo mag-meditate talaga, T. At the same time, there's an angel of balance, no? Tinutulungan ka dito maging balance and there's a the word card. There's a word of trouble. Taray, may paggala ka dito, T. What is the Jesus loving quotes? Okay, what is the angel's messages? Bago natin basa. There's a 555, T. No? At sinasabi sa'yo dito, I am optimistic. Optimistic. Let's see. Ano yung ibig sabihin ng optimistic? A major shift is about to come into your life experience and change your path direction. Be open, stay positive. See? May pagbabago o kailangan mong baguhin yung trabaho, negosyo mo. Kasi may magandang kahihinatnan, no? May magandang mangyayari. And of course, sinasabi dito, Jesus loving quotes, focus upon a perfect health. Some of you may mga nararamdaman kayo. It's time to leave the unhealthy situation. Kailangan mo nang kumawala sa hindi magandang sitwasyon. Ha? May nararamdaman ka, ang lakas ng sense dito. There's a devil. And of course, ask Archangel Michael to help you from this situation. No? Humingi ka ng gabay kay Archangel Michael at humingi ka ng protection at pangalaga niya, no? What is the messages of life? Okay. I connect with the heaven. Today, I turn inwards and connect with the heaven within. And from this place of peace, I can see that a situation I have resented is actually an idea and opportunity to work on my inner self. I understand that such experiences are necessary for my growth. Thus, I accept such situations and now live each day in serenity. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga nakakonektado ka na, no? About sa spirituality, about kay God, kumbaga lahat mga bagay na nangyayari sa'yo, kumbaga may kahulugan, no? Kumbaga, tinutulungan ka ng ating gabay para magkaroon ka ng expansion sa journey mo. And of course, Jesus loving God said, I am the good shepherd that give his life for the sheep. Ibig sabihin dito, there's a sacrifices, no? Kumbaga, binigay yan pagkakataon sa'yo, ay binigay yung bagay na yan kasi para makita kung paano mo ipaglalaban, kung paano mo mamahalin yung situation mo, no? Hindi yan ibibigay sa iyo isang bagay na yan kung hindi mo kayang lagpasan. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito, lumaban ka at kailangan mong tapusin ang dapat tapusin. At kailangan mong, kumbaga, ilaban yung sarili mo, no? At ang kailangan mong labanan yung mga tao sa paligid mo na pinipilit kang pabagsakin. No? Kailangan sinasabi din sa'yo dito na be open and be conscious and aware sa mga bagay-bagay sa paligid mo. Kasi ang totoong kalaban mo dito, hindi lang ang sarili mo, no? Kundi ang ibang taong nasa tabi mo. Kung sino pa yung lubos na kilala mo, hindi mo akalain sila pa yung taong gagawa sa'yo ng hindi maganda. Kaya sinasabi sa'yo dito, aware and conscious, no? Kumbaga, there's the moon card, revelasyon. No? Maraming revelasyon, maraming kaganapan dito. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, gamayan mo at gabayan mo yung bawat nangyayari sa paligid mo. Kapag nakuha mo yung point na yan, magkakaroon ka ng success dito at the end of the time, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo lang solusyonan at kailangan mo lang kumawala sa negativity. It's time to leave the unhealthy situation. So, this is a weekly gabay for the month of September 9 hanggang September 15 for the sign of Aries. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Sa mga nanonood na naka-relate dito sa ating reading, please comment down below your full name, birthday, and of course, kung asan po kayong lugar or locations para sa susunod na reading, masagap natin ang inyong energy. Maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!